How to turn off sound effects in darkest days. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Darkest Days and want to turn off the sound effects, first of all, open the Darkest Days app and make sure that you're inside the game. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and tap on the tablet menu icon. And now in the expanded pop-up, click on the gear button from the bottom. Now from the settings menu that appears on the screen, tap on sound from the top center. And now turn off the master volume option at the top of the screen and keep it to 0. Now click on save at the bottom right and you'll be able to turn off sound effect in Darkest Days. Now, even if your device's volume is all the way up, you'll still not be able to hear any kind of a music or sound effect in the game. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.